Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to use Kroger gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.kroger.com and press enter on your keyboard. Log into your Kroger account if necessary, and once you're logged into your Kroger account, in order to redeem your gift card, you must first activate your gift card available to you. Click on the gift cards option at the top right hand corner and then scroll all the way down until you see this activation link over here. Click on this link and go ahead and enter your UPC number available at the back of your gift card for Kroger. Now enter the barcode number on the next field. Your barcode number and your UPC number will be available at the back of your gift card for Kroger and it will be displayed like this. Finally, after you are done, click on add a card and you'll be able to activate your Kroger gift card. Once you activate your gift card for Kroger.com, you can easily redeem it while making a purchase online with Kroger. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.